எண்ணியவை முடிதல் வேண்டும், நல்லவை எண்ணல் வேண்டும். 10th standard science carbon compound. IUPAC rules part 1. IUPAC means International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. That IUPAC depends upon classified to 3 types. The first one is the parent hydrocarbons, next one is a suffix, next prefix. Then suffix classify into 2 types, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Then prefix classify into 2 types, primary prefix and secondary prefix. We discuss about one by one. The first one is the parent hydrocarbon. The parent hydrocarbons means number of carbons present. If number of carbons 1, then indicate to meth, 2 eth, 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 x, 7 hept, 8 arc, 9 nonine, 10 deck. It's more important to write the IUPAC names. Then prefix. The primary prefix is depends upon the bond, whether it is single bond or double bond or triple bond. That the bond is single bond, it is called alkane. Then that the bond is double bond is called alkene. Then triple bond, it's called alkyne. The general formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. Then general formula of alkene CnH2n. Then alkyne CnH2n minus 2. The n indicate to number of carbons present. Suppose then single bond alkane, parent, then suffix added ane, alkene, that parent plus ene, then alkyne, parent plus yne is added to suffix. That is the more important to primary suffix. Some examples for alkane. Alkane means single bond. Then formula, parent means number of carbons present and suffix added ane. Then the IUPAC name is parent plus suffix. The first formula is CH4. The number of carbons 1. Then parent is meth. The suffix added ane. Then the name is methane. The second one is the number of carbons 2. Then the parent is eth. The single bond that indicate to suffix ane. Then the name is ethane. The third one is the number of carbons 3. The parent is prop. It's also single bonds. So ane suffix added. The name is propane. Next fourth one is the but plus ane, butane. Next alkene. Alkene means the primary suffix added ene with parents. So same procedure of alkane, but only difference is parent plus ene added. The first one is the number of carbons 2, then parent is eth, the suffix ene, so the name is the ethene. The second one is the number of carbons 3, so parent prop, the suffix added ene, so propane. The next one is the number of carbons 4, so but, then suffix added ene, the name is butane. The next one is the pent, the number of carbons 5, then only the pent, the suffix added ene, then pentene. Your consider suffix only double bond. Next, alkyne. Alkyne means the suffix added yne. The triple bond compound is called alkyne. Whether this doubt single or triple bond, but you consider only triple bond. So first, the number of carbons is 2, then the parent is eth, then suffix added yne, so the name is ethine. The second one is the number of carbons 3, so parent prop plus yne, propine. Then the third one is the number of carbons 4, then the parent is but plus suffix yne, so butane. Whether the single or triple or double bond presents, you are considered only triple bonds. All formulas are write only the subscript. There is no space here, then only formulas continue.